Anyone who uses any social media platform has at least seen one video clip of this guy.
I hate everyone. I don't care if you're black, white, straight, gay, man and woman. I hate you anyway.
He is everywhere despite being canceled. But how? His approach to build his business with his brother is something very interesting that we all need to take a look at. He was born in the USA and moved to England at very young age. Had a promising career in kickboxing and become 4 times world champion. But he was not making enough money, and he wanted to get rich. So he started a webcam business, what was basically OnlyFans at the time, and started making some money. This money was invested in crypto where he doubled his investment. It was in 2016, Tate starts to lay foundation to his multi-million-dollar business. First, he wanted to market and create a positive public image of himself. So he joined the cast of Big Brother, one of the most popular TV shows in UK, where he immediately became a fan favorite. But this was short-lived as he was kicked off the show. At this time, a video of him beating a woman with a belt was surfaced, and people began to believe that it was the reason behind Andrew's dismissal from the show. But later, the women in the video released a statement that it was all part of the script. This was only a minor setback in his plan to gain fame to roll out his next business. Luckily, television is not the only way to connect with a larger audience anymore. In 2018, he started his own YouTube channel. All the controversial ideas he shared are to create a personality, to target a specific group of men. It was a confusing decision at the time, considering the money Tate brothers making from the webcam business compared to what they will make from YouTube. Everything started to make sense when he launched his courses and his website. The TV show and the YouTube channel was just a marketing front to create the public image to attract customers to his website to sell his courses, including a fitness program and how to get girls and body language. It seems like Andrew learned a lot about the type of men he has to target from talking to men behind the webcam. Then began the first step of Andrew's most lucrative business, the War Room. A member-only club initially started as a $500 member fee and later increased to $5,000 as his public image started to skyrocket. The promise was by joining the War Room, you will get access to a global network with members from over 70 countries to achieve the ultimate goal of all intelligent men and freedom in a world of slavery. Andrew makes millions off this business. Then it was time for the business most people know Andrew Tate for, the Hustlers University. Initially, it was just 10 hours of course material as videos for $1,500 one-time payment and didn't provide much value to users. This business model also had a problem. It was not making Tate Brothers continues money. It was just a one-time payment. So he launched the Hustlers University 2.0 with a different business model. A subscription-based access model for $49.99 per month. This also provided some value to users with courses on e-commerce, crypto, and trading. This made Andrew Tate the big bucks. With over 100,000 people paying him $50 a month, he is easily making $5 million a month with Hustlers University alone. At the same time, Andrew Tate became the most searched man on the internet. All the podcasts wanted to host him. He was in all major podcasts in no time, which was the biggest piece of the Mater marketing plan. Then it happened. Andrew Tate was canceled across all the social media platforms for sharing ideas spread misogyny with his primarily young audience. At the time, same as now, anyone or any business who gets on the wrong side of the public eye was pushed to become irrelevant and never to come back. But Andrew had a weapon at his disposal, Hustlers University. He changed his approach to social media and used his followers to do the marketing for him. There was thousands of social media channels dedicated to promote his content. Being canceled meant nothing to Andrew Tate, as he was in all the social media platforms despite being canceled. Now he is creating his own marketing plans to expand his business. While War Room and Hustlers University making him millions a month, he started talking about the Matrix and how people are trapped in it without a way to escape. He has the ability to market anything happening around him. After released from jail for several allegations, he started his next marketing campaign by promoting the idea of the Matrix. And now you can join the Real World by Andrew Tate to escape the Matrix. This guy is a marketing genius. One thing is clear now. Andrew Tate is just another influencer with a great business plan. He has that one quality which every influencer has, been an entertainer. Whatever he says, he has the ability to keep the attention of the audience and make conversations about any topic for people to discuss whether they like him or not. One thing to learn from Andrew Tate is to see business opportunities in situation even they are not in favor for you. Thanks you for watching the video. Leave a like if you enjoy, subscribe for more interesting content.